Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 15th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. As per this was our previous question. Our first question was, when World Fastest Day is observed? 10 September, 12 September, 13 September, 14 September. The correct answer here is 12 September. Option B is correct here. On 12 September, World Fastest Day is observed. Okay. Actually, it is observed in the second Saturday of the September, and on the date 12 in the second Saturday of the September is occur. So on 12 September, World Fastest Day is observed. Our second question was, what is the rank of India in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? 79, 100, 105, 120. The correct answer here is 105. Option C is correct here. India has been ranked 105th position in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020. Okay. And remember that Hong Kong is in the first position. Hong Kong is in the first rank in the Global Economic Freedom Index 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Hindi Divas is celebrated? 13 September, 14 September, 15 September, option D 16 September. The correct answer here is 14 September. Option B is correct here. Hindi Divas is observed every year on 14 September to mark the popularity of the Hindi as an official language of India. Okay, and it is, remember that the first celebrated in 1953. On 1953 it is first celebrated, and every year on 14 September Hindi Divas is celebrated. Okay, as per India is our diverse country. Various diversity are in our India. Several languages, regional language is in our India. About 43% people talk in India Hindi. Okay, and also we accept Hindi as in our national language. Okay, next question. Which state has launched Garima scheme for sanitation worker? Okay, Odisha, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya. The correct answer here is Odisha. Option A is correct here. Odisha's Chief Minister Mr. Navin Patnaik has launched a new scheme named Garima, which aims to ensure the economic safety and good sanitation worker in the state. Okay, it is for the sanitation worker. Okay, Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Navin Patnaik. You can see the image of here, Mr. Navin Patnaik, and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, next question. Who has won the Formula One to scan Grand Prix 2020? Max Verstappen, Valtteri Bottas, Lewis Hamilton, option D Alexander Albon. As per you see the image of Lewis Hamilton here, option C is correct here. Lewis Hamilton has won the Formula One to scan Grand Prix 2020. This was the 6th win in the season and the 90th win in his career. About 90 Grand Prix won by Lewis Hamilton. Okay, this was the 6th win and the 90 win on his career. And Valtteri Bottas got the second position. And Alexander Albon got the third position. Remember, Lewis Hamilton is the driver of Mercedes. Valtteri Bottas also the driver of Mercedes, and Alexander Albon is the driver of Red Bull. Okay, these are the company. Alexander Albon is the driver of Red Bull company. Okay, next question. Yoshihide Suga became new Prime Minister of which country? Japan, Australia, Finland, Iceland. The correct answer here is Japan. Option A is correct here. Recently, you can know the Shinzo Abe, the previous Prime Minister of Japan, resigned from his post for their poor health condition. So recently Yoshihide Suga became the new Prime Minister of the Japan. Remember the name, and you can see the image of the new Prime Minister of Japan here. Okay, after you know the capital of Japan is Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital, and currency is Japanese yen. Japanese yen is the currency of Japan. Okay, next question. India and which country done a bilateral 2+2 intersessional meeting? Australia, Japan, USA, China. The correct answer here is USA. Option C is correct here. Recently, India and US held a bilateral 2+2 interseasonal meeting in virtual mode. It is held in virtual mode. Both sides reviewed the progress and development during this meeting. Okay. Next question. Who has participated in 27th ASEAN Regional Forum? Ajay Tyagi, V. Muralidharan, Rajiv Kumar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is V. Muralidharan. Option B is correct here. Recently, the Minister of State for External Affairs, V. Muralidharan, participated in the 27th ASEAN Regional Forum. 27th ASEAN Regional Forum. Okay, you can see the image of V. Muralidharan here. And it is the 27th ASEAN Regional Forum. He attended the 27th ASEAN Regional Forum. Next question. Who has won the US Open Men's Tennis Tournament 2020? Dominic Thiem, Alexander Xavier, Carl Anderson. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Dominic Thiem. Option A is correct here. Dominic Thiem has won the US Open Men's Tennis Tournament 2020. You can see the image of Dominic Thiem here, and he won the men's title, men's tennis tournament 2020. Also remember additional thing that Japan's Naomi Osaka has got the women's single title in US Open tennis tournament. Okay, got the women's single title, Nozomi Osaka. The name is Nozomi Osaka, and she was from Japan. And the men's tennis tournament is won by Dominic Thiem. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Ajit Das passed away. He was related to his field: acting, sports, journalism, art. The correct answer here is acting. Option A is correct here. The correct answer here is acting. Ajit Das, an Odia actor, passed away. He acted in more than 60 Odia films. You can see the image of Ajit Das here, a veteran Odia actor. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is the chairman of E-Go-M as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative? Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amitabh Kant. Option D, Saroj Bakshi. The correct answer here is our defense minister Rajnath Singh. Option B is correct here. Central government has constituted an E-Go-M as to oversee the progress of Corporation of Ordnance Factory Board, OFB, the Corporation of Ordnance Factory Board. So recently Rajnath Singh appointed as the chairman of E-Go-M. And what is the abbreviation of E-Go-M here? Empowered Group of Minister. Okay, the abbreviation here is Empowered Group of Minister. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who addressed the Griha Pravesham event of Madhya Pradesh? Anandiben Patel, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Narendra Modi. Option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option C is correct here. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed the Griha Pravesham event in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, under this scheme, about 1.75 lakhs families got the Pakka house under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Okay, remember the scheme name also. Okay, and as per you know, Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, air ambulance system started in which state? Our second question is Jane Fraser has been appointed as first female CEO of which bank? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. As you first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.